I am the truth. I saw my Lord with the eye of the heart. I asked, who are you? He replied, Jew. Between me and you, there is only the me. Take away the me, so only you remain. There is nothing wrapped in my turban but God. Surrender is the ultimate goal of all spiritual practice. Oneness is the ultimate reality. The mind is the prison of the soul. When you surrender to the divine, you become one with the divine. And when you are one with the divine, you know the truth. The truth is not something that can be explained with words. It is something that must be experienced. Open your heart and you will experience the truth. God is not something that we have to control. God is the source of all creation. When we surrender to God, we will find peace. God is not something that is separate from us. God is the very essence of who we are. When we learn to love ourselves and others, we are learning to love God. Hell is not a place you suffer. Hell is a place that no one sees your suffering. The human soul is a spark of the divine. It is a part of God that has been sent into the world to experience life. The heart is the key to the kingdom of heaven. The world is a shadow of the real. The only true knowledge is love.